Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Carol. How are you today? Okay, I'm good. Please get your book Math, Math in Action, Math in Action 5A, and please open your book on page 71. Please open your book on page 71. Okay, are you ready? So let's begin. Our topic for today is about dividing fractions. Okay, our topic for today is about dividing fractions. Dividing fractions by whole numbers. Okay, consider 1/2 divided by 4. Okay, so 1/2 divided by 4. Okay, so this is 1/2. Here, that's 1/2. Consider 1/2 divided by 4. 1/2 is divided 1/2 is divided into 4 equal parts of 1/8 each. Okay, so 1/2 is divided into 4 equal parts of 1/8 each. The figure show that 1/2 divided by 4 is equals to 1/8. Okay, find the quotient. Using the relationship between multiplication and division, 1/2. 1/2 divided by 4 equals blank. Okay, so, or blank times 4 equals 1/2. However, 1/2 times 1/4 times 4 is equals to 1/2. Therefore, 1/2 divided by 4 is equals to 1/2 times 1/4. Okay, 1/2 times 1/4. 1/2 divided by 4 is equals to 1/8. 1 times 1 is equals to 1, and then 2 times 4 is equals to 8. So 1/2 divided by 4 is equals to 1/8. Okay? The quotient of a fraction and the whole number can be calculated by multiplying the fraction and the reciprocal of the whole number. Okay, reciprocal of the whole number. Okay, so last time we study about the reciprocal, right? Reciprocal is the reciprocal of a number is a fraction with 1 as the numerator and the denominator. Okay? Again, the reciprocal of a number is a fraction with 1 as the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so here, find each quotient. Okay, now find each quotient and show your work. Okay, so example, 2/3 divided by 5 is equals to blank. Okay, so 2/3 divided by 5 equals 2/3 times 1/5. 2 times 1 and then 3 times 5. Okay? 2 times 1 is equals to 2 and then 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Okay. Understand? Okay, so the answer is 2 over 15. Okay, and here. Okay, so here. Okay, so 1/5 divided by 3 is equals to blank. Okay, now this is another example. Okay, so 1/5 divided by 3 is equals to 1/5 times 1/3 equals 1 times 1 and then 5 times 3. 1 times 1 is equals to 1 and then 5 times 3 is equals to 15. So it's 1 over 15. Okay, so you don't need to make it a small fraction. Okay, so you don't need to make it a small fraction. There's no smaller fraction than that. Okay, now please open your book on page 72. Now on page 72, dividing. Dividing whole numbers by fractions. Okay, so consider 3 divided by 1/2. Okay, so 1 whole, 1. Okay, so 1/2. Okay, so 3 1/2, 1/2. Okay, so that's 3. 3 divided by each whole divided by 1/2. Okay, so 3 is divided into 6 equal parts of 1/2 each. The figure shows that 3 divided by 1/2 is equals to 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Okay, so 3 whole divided by 1/2. Okay, find the quotient using the relationship between multiplication and division. 3 divided by 1 half is equals to blank, or blank times 1 half is equals to 3. However, 3 times 1 half is equals to 3. Okay, therefore, 3 divided by 1 half equals 3 times 2 over 1. 2, 1. Okay, so we just we find the reciprocals. Okay, so we find the reciprocals. Okay, so 3 3 times 2, 3 times 2 is equals to 6, and then the denominator stays the same. Okay, so 3 divided by 1 half is equals to 6. 1 equals 6. Okay, so it's 6. The quotient of a whole number and a fraction can be calculated by multiplying the whole number and the reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, again, the quotient of a whole number and a fraction can be calculated by multiplying the whole number and the reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, so find each quotient and show your work. Okay, so 4 divided by 1/3 is equals to what? Okay, so 4 divided by 1/3 equals 4 times 3 over 1. Okay, so you have to multiply 4 times 3. Okay, so 1, the denominator stays the same, okay? The denominator as a whole. Okay, so 4 times 3 is equals to 12. 12 over 1 equals 12 divided by 1 is equals to 12. Okay? And another example. Okay, so another example. 4 divided by 1/5 equals. Okay, so you have to find the reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal 1/5. 5 over 1. 5, 1. Okay, so 4 divided by 1/5 times 4 equals 4 times 5, 1 equals 4 times 5 over 1 equals to 20 over 1. Okay, 20 divided by 1 is equals to 20. Okay, it's 20. The answer is 20. Okay, understand? Okay, please answer your book here. Okay, so please answer your book on page 72. Okay, that's page 72. And then now, please open your book on page 73, dividing fractions by fractions. Consider 1/2 divided by 1/4. Okay, so consider 1/2 divided by 1/4. 1/2 is divided into two equal parts of 1/4 each. The figure shows that 1/2 divided by 1/4 is equals to 2. Find the quotient using the relationship between multiplication and division. Okay, so 1/2 divided by 1/4 is equals to blank, or blank times 1/4 is equals to 1/2. However, 1/2 times 4, 1 times 1/4 is equals to 1/2. Therefore, 1/2 divided by 1/4 is equals to 1/2 times 4, 1. Okay, so you have to find the reciprocal. Again, 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is equals to 4, and then 2 times 1 is equals to 2. And then 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2, right? 1/2. Okay, so 1 divided by 1, and then 2 divided by 4 is equals to 4. 2 equals to 2. Okay, understand? Okay, the quotient. The quotient of two fractions can be calculated by multiplying. By multiplying the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. The quotient of two fractions can be calculated by multiplying the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, another example. Okay, so here, find the quotient and show your work. 2/5 divided by 1/6 is equals to blank. Okay, so 2/5 divided by 1/6. Okay, so you have to you have to find the reciprocal. Okay, the reciprocal of 1/6. Okay, so the reciprocal of 1/6 is 6 to 1. Okay, reciprocal of 1/6 is 6 over 1. Therefore, 2 times 2 over 5 times 6, 1. 2 times 6 is equals to 12, and then 5 times 1 is equals to 5. And then you have to find the small fraction, okay? You have to find the small fraction of 12 over 5. 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5 is equals to 2, right? 12 divided by 5 is equals to 2 remainder 2. Therefore, 2 2 and 2/5. Okay, so that's why we get 2 and 2/5. Small fractions. 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5 is equals to 2 with the remainder of 2. Okay, understand? And then, okay, another example. Another example. 1/3 divided by 4/5. Okay, so 1/3 divided by 4/5 is equals to. Okay, so find the reciprocal again of 4/5. The reciprocal of 4/5 is 5/4. Okay, so 1 times 5 is equals to 5. 3 times 4 is equals to 12. Okay, 1 times 5 is equals to 5. 3 times 4 is equals to 12. So the answer is 5/12. There's no smaller fraction because we can't divide 5. We can't divide. We cannot divide 5 to 12. Okay? Cannot be. Okay, so it's the answer. So the answer is 5/12. No smaller fraction than that. Okay? Okay, understand? Okay, now please answer your book on page 74 also, okay? Page 74. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know or you can also ask Teacher Nook. Okay, so that's it for today. Goodbye everyone. Thank you.